Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility with your school email and ID. This proves you qualify for Microsoft 365 education. Next, sign in or register via your institution's portal and accept the license. Do this now so your account is provisioned. Once done, download the Office installer and install on the devices you use for study. Make sure to keep one device for offline edits. These first steps get you immediate access to apps. You should now install core apps and sign into each with your school account. That links licenses and preferences. After that, enable OneDrive sync and create a clean folder structure for classes so files auto-sync across devices. Once set, turn on auto-save in Office apps and mark important folders for offline access. This prevents lost work between classes. Finally, add the mobile apps and confirm sync so you can edit and submit assignments from anywhere. You'll use Teams for live classes, chat, and assignment submission. Join the class team, check the calendar, and pin important channels. For group work, share files from OneDrive with specific edit or comment permissions so version control stays clean, and use comments to track feedback. When submitting, attach cloud links rather than copies to preserve history. If something breaks, try the key fix. Reset OneDrive or sign out and back in. This resolves most sync and permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.